Tired of spending hours building PowerPoints? What if you could turn your research, notes, or even a pile of PDFs into a complete presentation in just minutes like this? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use NotebookLM, Google AI Powerhouse, to create stunning slides effortlessly. No more blank screen anxiety. Let's dive in. Okay, how do you create your PowerPoint presentation using AI tool? So we'll be using an AI tool called NotebookLM. NotebookLM, it is owned by Google, and you must register with your Gmail account. You can see notebooklm.google.com. Then it brings you to this interface, and the presentation that you want to create, you already have it. For instance, and I have one here, and it says 7 tips to help you achieve academic success. And I have it highlighted, but I want to convert all this. I want to convert all this information in a simple form, and also in a very good presentation style. So I'll be going to NotebookLM. You can see the interface. So what I'm going to be doing, this is the source, this is the chart, and this is the studio. Then I will be adding the source here. Add source, and the document which I want to use is a Microsoft Word document. I will be uploading a file. Okay, this is a 7 tip to help you achieve academic success. You click on this, and it gets uploaded here. You can see it automatically appears in the chat here. Then you come down here, you can see now. Okay, you come to the studio, then you look for slide deck. This is it. You can either click on it directly, or you go to this arrow for several options. You can see detailed deck, a comprehensive deck with full text and details, perfect for emailing or reading on its own. Presenter slide, this is what I want. Clean visual slide with key talking points to support you while you speak, and that is what I want. The length, let's say default. You can see you want it very short, but I want the default. Then the language I want is English. That's okay. So you can say create a presentation slide on the 7 tips to academic success. Okay, you can say I want the presentation to be in white background, color should include wine and black. Okay. For the graphical illustration, for the graphical illustration, so you can decide to write how you want the slide to look like. So this is what I have written. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. You can see by the right hand side the generating slide deck. Okay, I think it's ready now. Let's check it. Academic success ecosystem. Okay, let us click on it. Oh, this is a slide now. We have a slide now. Okay, let's open it. Wow, you can see the architecture of academic achievement. You can decide to give it a title while you are querying it. Transforming 7 disparate tips into a single synchronous ecosystem for lifelong learning. This is it. Check to the next one. You can see redefining the objective. You can see the academic success ecosystem. You can see that. You can see that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You can see how exactly what I said. I said I need wine and black color for the graphical illustration, and this is the black color and it's wine color. It's exactly what I asked NotebookLM to do. It's exactly what I asked NotebookLM to do. So if you want to do your presentation and you have your written text already, all you need to do is to come to NotebookLM and upload it in the source here. Then you go ahead to the studio here by the right hand side and click on this arrow, choose your options, presenter slide, and you go ahead and generate, and it gives you this wonderful presentation. Okay, you can see now this is a wonderful presentation. Okay, what you want to do, if you want to download, just click on options here. You say download PDF document. You can say download PowerPoint. You can choose to download it as a PDF document. You can also choose to download it as a PowerPoint. Okay, let me click on download PowerPoint. Okay, it's downloaded. Let me open the PowerPoint presentation. Oh, wow. You can see now. You can see the PowerPoint presentation now. You can see the PowerPoint presentation. You can see the PowerPoint presentation. This is nice. This is nice. This is a PowerPoint presentation. Wow. Wow, this is it. You can just resonate with it based on what you request. You can see the coloring and the white background, exactly what I asked. Exactly what I asked NotebookLM to do. So thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.